This is how I used just one prompt and got Tesla's last 10 years of feelings with a 10,000 word PDF analysis, the full Excel model behind every number, and the 15-page McKinsey-style PowerPoint deck. So the cheat code I've just found is Kimi Agent Swarm. And the best part, it's completely free. The link's right there in the description, so go try it yourself. Well, you might not be familiar with Kimi, it's world frontier model popular among developers. It's known as the affordable alternative to Claude. Even Elon Musk called their work impressive. Personally, I've known Kimi for quite some time. The first time I put my hands on it, I tried having it analyze 40 files all at once, which totally worked. And now we dropped another banger feature called Agent Swarm, which is said to help you solve complex tasks with up to 300 agents working together and bulk produce multiple types of deliverables like actual files with amazing accuracy. So in this video I'll show you 4 practical use cases that could boost daily productivity 10 times over with the exact prompt attached. So whether you are a student, you work, or you just want to learn and make some money with AI, this video is for you. So let's start with the one I just showed you. The Tesla report came from a single line. Analyze Tesla's financial reports from the past 10 years and build a McKinsey-style business analysis report and slides. Include an Excel workbook with all raw data and calculations. 20 minutes later, a 10,000 word PDF with real financial models, a 15-page executive deck, and an Excel workbook where every year gets its own breakdown. Revenue by segment, margin trends, competitor benchmarks, the investment thesis. And here's what ChatGPT and Claude can do. The formatting is generally consulting grade, waterfall charts, sensitivity tables, and every number is cited back to the exact page of the filing it came from. You are not fact-checking a black box. Swap Tesla for any company you're researching and you get the same thing. And you can check the thinking process and all the info are accurate and traceable. Number 2, for anyone dealing with cross-border businesses. Here's where the Swarm does something ChatGPT or Claude just can't. It doesn't write you one document, it writes a whole stack at once. For the next test, I gave it Kimi much more demanding legal research task. I asked it to compare the latest privacy laws in Europe, United States and China. Then turn that research into a complete compliance package with detailed reports, risk analysis, checklist, and an executive summary. It came back with all 4 files in one run. The 80-page report, the heat map, the checklist, the summary, each one fully formatted, citation precise down to the article number with the 2024 revisions in. That's the part to sit with. Not one long document, but 4 complete deliverables generated in parallel. And here's the part that actually changes how you work. You don't have to start over to fix something. I went back and said, in the comparison report, add the 5th column for Brazil LGPD across every clause and update the risk heat map to include it. It edited the documents I already had, kept the formatting, kept the citations, just revised them in place. So you're not originating from scratch every time a regulation changes or a client asks for one more market. You iterate on the real file the way you would in Word. This is a week of paralegal time. It ran while I got coffee, and you still hand it to a real lawyer before acting on it, but they're editing a finished draft instead of starting from zero. Number 3 is for students, and this is where it really pulls ahead. I dropped in 40 research papers and asked for a full comprehensive review. Read all 4 attached papers and write 100-page comprehensive review with APA citations. Include research charts, LaTeX render formulas, a mind map of the field, and a summary slides deck. Out came a 100-page double-column paper with proper APA citations, rendered LaTeX formulas, research-grade charts, plus a mind map and a slide deck on top. I pulled 20 citations at random to check them. Every one was real and traceable. That's the part that usually breaks with AI. And the number 4, the one that can actually make you money. This is the make money with AI everyone talks about, except it's real. Find 30 restaurants in Los Angeles that don't have a website. Build each one a high conversion mobile responsive landing page and put all 30 into an Excel sheet, with their name, contact info and the gap each one has. It came back with a spreadsheet of all 30 names, contacts, what each one is missing, and 30 individual sites, each with its own design, all mobile ready. You could email those restaurants today. And of course, it doesn't mean that if you send the emails and you will definitely get paid. However, the cost of doing that is basically zero. So let's say you can ask Kimi to generate over 100 of these tailored websites with the contact info of their owners. All you need to do is just spend like 30 minutes emailing them. And there's got to be 1 or 2 person out of these 100 that are willing to pay. That's a real freelance pipeline, not a demo. 4 use cases, 4 sets of real files. Finance report, legal analysis, academic paper, live websites. Not one of them was a chat reply you copy paste somewhere. They were deliverables that you could just grab and use. That's the whole difference. Most AI gives you something to read, Kimi Agent Swarm gives you something to send. All 4 prompts are in the description, go run them. I've also put the link to Kimi in the description. It's free, so definitely go check it out. This is something that neither Claude nor ChatGPT can pull off. Try it before everyone else does. I will see you in the next one.